Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we will learn how to pray Salah word by word. Even if you know how to pray Salah, you must watch this video. The benefit of this is that if there is any deficiency in your prayer, or if you make any mistake in prayer, then after watching this video, that mistake will be removed, inshallah. First of all, you should know that it is very important to fulfill the 7 conditions of prayer. Before starting the prayer, here are the 7 conditions. Number 1, your body should be clean. Number 2, your clothes should be clean. Number 3, the place where you are praying should also be clean. Number 4, covering the body with clothes. Number 5, to know the time. Mean to know the time for prayer. Number 6, turning towards the Qibla. Number 7, and intending. Now perform proper ablution, wudu, before praying after that. Lay the prayer mat, turn straight on your feet, turn to the Qibla. Now make an intention for the time you are praying. The purpose of making an intention is to make it clear in your mind which prayer you are praying: Farad, Sunnah, Nafil and Witr, and at what time you are praying. When all these questions arise in your mind, that is called intention. You can make intention in your heart and you can make it with your tongue. For example, if you are praying 2 rakats of the Fajr morning Farad prayer, then you will make the intention like this: For the sake of Allah, I intend to pray the 2 rakat Farad of Salatul Fajr. After making the intention, raise both hands like this, and after that say Takbir, Allahu Akbar. After that, place the palm of your straight hand on the back of your left hand and put the hands on your belly button. Now read the words of prayer. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika wa tabarakasmuka wa ta'ala jadduka wa la ilaha ghayruk. A'udzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Ar-Rahmanir-Rahim. Maliki yawmiddin. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Ihdinas siratal mustaqim. Siratal ladzina an'amta 'alaihim ghairil maghdubi 'alaihim waladdallin. Amin. After Surah Fatiha, recite any surah or a minimum of 3 short ayats. We recite here Surah Ikhlas. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Qul huwallahu ahad, Allahus samad, lam yalid wa lam yulad, wa lam yakul lahu kufuwan ahad. Then bend down for ruku and say Allahu Akbar, and keep your eyes on the feet. Place the hands on the knees and keep both the elbows of the hands straight. Now recite the tasbih of ruku. Subhana Rabbiyal Azim. Subhana Rabbiyal Azim. Subhana Rabbiyal Azim. You can read this tasbih 3 times or 5 times. After this, stand up straight while saying Samiyallahu liman hamida, and after standing up completely straight, then read Rabbana lakal hamd. Now go to sajda and sing Allahu Akbar. Then go into sajda in order of starting by lowering the knees to the ground, trying to keep the back straight, then the palm of both hands, then nose, and finally forehead. Focus the eyes towards the nose. The arms should not touch the floor. Both your feet should be raised, resting on your toes. Make sure the arms are separated from the ribs and the belly is separated from the thighs.
Now read this tasbih 3 or 5 times.
سبحان ربي الأعلى سبحان ربي الأعلى سبحان ربي الأعلى. Get up from the floor reciting the takbir Allahu Akbar in order or forehead first, nose and then hands. Sit upright and place the palms on the lower thigh. Rest for a moment, then say Allahu Akbar and sajda again.
Read this tasbih again 3 or 5 times.
Subhan Rabbiyal A'la Subhan Rabbiyal A'la Subhan Rabbiyal A'la. The first rakat has been completed. Now get up again for the second rakat. When you stand for the second rakat, you should now start with Surah Fatiha. After Surah Fatiha, read any surah of Quran. After that, go into ruku as you did in the first rakat, and then go into sajda. After performing 2 sajdas, sit in tashahhud. Read this in tashahhud.
التحيات لله والصلوات والطيبات السلام عليك أيها النبي ورحمة الله وبركاته السلام علينا وعلى عباد الله الصالحين أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وأشهد أن محمدا عبده ورسوله.
When you reach Ashhadu Allah ilaha, raise the index finger of your right hand. And when you reach Illallahu, then put down your index finger. After tashahhud, read Darud Ibrahimi.
اللهم صل على محمد وعلى آل محمد كما صليت على إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم إنك حميد مجيد اللهم بارك على محمد وعلى آل محمد كما باركت على إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم إنك حميد مجيد.
After the Darud, read any Sunnah dua.
ربنا آتنا في الدنيا حسنة وفي الآخرة حسنة وقنا عذاب النار رب اجعلني مقيم الصلاة ومن ذريتي ربنا وتقبل دعاء ربنا اغفر لي ولوالدي وللمؤمنين يوم يقوم الحساب.
You can read any of these duas apart from this. If you remember any dua from Quran, you can read it too. Then turn your face to the right shoulder and say Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. After that, turn your face to the left shoulder and say Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Your 2 rakat prayers have been completed. This is the whole prayer method. If you want to know how to perform all these prayers from Fajr prayer to Isha prayer, then I have made a separate video about all these prayers. You can check from there if you want. After that, read the Durud Sharif and recite the du'as after the prayer and make your own du'as. I pray that Allah will make things easy for you. Ameen.